How to increase iPhone volume on lock screen. So if you are playing a media on your iPhone and you want to increase the volume or reduce the volume on your iPhone lock screen like this, and I want to reduce it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to be able to control media or media volume on lock screen on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once open the settings app, scroll down and click on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down the page, click on audio and visual, then locate always show volume control. If this is disabled in your own case, go ahead and enable this. Once that is enabled, you can now go back, open any media on your phone. So this could be on the music app or video. Then go ahead and play any of this media. So let's say you are playing a media like this, and now the screen is locked. Then you should see the volume control on the lock screen. You see that? Then if this is not coming up on your iPhone, this is what you just need to do. Go ahead and open the settings app again. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Click on software update and make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS 18.2. So you see that? So if your iPhone is running on the latest iOS 18.2, you will be able to enable media control on lock screen on your iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.